Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to take a screenshot on a laptop. Let's get started. Method 1. Press the print screen key on your keyboard. This will capture the entire screen. Now open Paint, press Ctrl plus V, and save the image. Method 2. Press Alt plus Print Screen together. This will capture the active window only. Paste it in Paint and save it. Method 3. Press Windows key plus Print Screen. The screenshot is saved automatically. Go to Pictures Screenshots folder. Method 4. Open the Start menu and search for Snipping tool. Click New, select the area, and save the screenshot. Method 5. Press Windows plus Shift plus S. Select the area you want to capture. The screenshot is copied and can be saved. That's it. Now you know different ways to take screenshots on a laptop.